Spacing System Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and search for Figma.com. Once the site loads, click Design at the top of the screen to open the workspace. For this example, use an existing design. Select one element in the design, then duplicate it several times by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. To adjust the spacing, drag one of them to a specific position and wait until the orange grid appears. This is known as the spacing grid and helps align your elements evenly. Repeat the same step for the other elements if you want to adjust them individually. If you prefer to adjust all the elements at once, select them all by clicking and dragging over them or holding Shift while clicking each one. Once selected, right-click and choose Group Selection from menu. After grouping, go to the right side of the screen and click on Auto Layout. You can now adjust the spacing and alignment of all selected elements. Drag the dimension setting and the gap setting to customize the layout exactly as you need.